Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You recognize those headlights? So you just bought yourself a new KRX4 seater and you're adding a bunch of fun accessories on it. And one of the things that we love doing here at Big Pine Sports is this switch. Oh yeah, we've got the R1 rock light kit with the lighted whips. You have the ability to change these rock lights into, I don't know, several hundred different colors, tons of different modes. What do you think? Oh yeah. Whips are super bright, lifetime warranty with all their products. Looks super good. This kit will work on any side-by-side, ATV, you know, any kind of toy. Heck, you could put them on your lawnmower if you wanted. But wanted to show these on that cool KRX 4-seater special edition. What do you think? We got them in stock. 435-427-3338. You gotta love that dual rock light in the grill location. Highlights all the suspension components really well. You can stick it on one certain color. That's not a problem. Oh yeah, and you can add the turn signals into the whips. Notice the rock lights are also flashing the same color. You know, amber, turn signals, you get it? Oh, let's show a quick glimpse of that new Ryco kit. Updated video to come on that. Oh, you need more visibility? Throw on those Sector 7s. Very nice. 435-427-3338. You gotta love it. Also, the tail lights are tied into the whips as well. Let us know what you think. Shane, you got one badass KRX 4-seater. More videos to come on all the accessories that were loaded up on this baby. Can't wait to see this thing get out in the wild. Have a great day, everybody. Or night.